Tired of struggling with complicated brake control wiring? Imagine a hassle-free installation that fits perfectly without extra splicing or guesswork. The replacement Pigtail wiring harness kit offers exactly that. A universal fit designed to work seamlessly with popular brake controllers like Tekonsha Prodigy P3 and P2, Primus IQ, Draw-Tite iStop IQ and Activator 3, plus Reese Brakeman Ultra. This kit promises a clean, reliable connection every time, so you can get back on the road faster and safer. I've been there, trying to install a brake controller only to find the wiring harness too short or incompatible, forcing me to splice wires or hunt for adapters. That's why this kit stood out. With its generous 3-foot pigtail length, it gave me the flexibility to connect without adding extra wire. The quality was immediately noticeable: sturdy connectors, durable wiring, and a fit that matched my Tekonsha Prodigy P3 perfectly. It saved me time and frustration, and I felt confident knowing the connection was solid and secure. If you're upgrading or replacing your brake control wiring, this replacement Pigtail wiring harness kit is the smart choice. It's universal, compatible with multiple top brake controllers, and built to last. Don't waste time with makeshift fixes or incompatible parts. Choose a kit that's trusted by users across the U.S. and designed to simplify your installation. Ready to make your brake control setup easier and more reliable? Check out the replacement Pigtail wiring harness kit today and experience the difference.